Now it's time to learn one of the most dramatic tricks in yo-yoing, the flying saucer. This is the one that gets the best reaction from an audience. Flying saucer is easiest to do with a responsive yo-yo. You can do it with an unresponsive one, but it's just a little bit trickier to get out of the trick. So I'm going to show you with a responsive. The way it looks is like this. And you can do it in either direction. Throw it to the right or throw it to the left. You can pick up the string or not. And the way that you do it is you throw the yo-yo down just like you're throwing a regular power throw, but instead you throw it at an angle. So you throw it off at an angle about like so. You get your hand up above the yo-yo, let the string start to flutter, you pop it up in the air, then bring your hand out so the string is straight, and as it starts to wind up, bring your hand toward the yo-yo. It all happens pretty fast. As you practice the flying saucer, the string will get more and more twisted. So you have to alternate the direction that you do it. And the rule of thumb is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If I throw the yo-yo to my right, the string will get tightened up. If I throw it to my left, it'll get looser. So now, I'll do it to my left side, and the string is back to a neutral twistiness.